Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I am from Isaac. So today in this class, we will discuss how to use above average and the below average options in conditional formatting, right? So in the previous class, we had discussed about the top and bottom rules, right? So in this class, we will discuss above average and the below average in the conditional formatting, right? So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class, right? So here we are having three columns, right? So the first column is name column, and second one is type 1, and the third one is HP column, right? So in this you have to select this HP column, right? Just you have to select like this, right? Until 45, right? So this is our average. This is our average. So average of HP, which is 77.2, right? So in this we want above the average, right? For example, what is the above the average values here? We are having 81, 115, 140, right? Above the average, right? So we have to find the values which is above the average, right? Which is greater than 77.2, right? So for that you have to select like this and go to the conditional formatting and go to the top and bottom rules. So here you have to select above average, right? So wherever you find above this average value, then that text will be highlighted with this green fill with dark green text, right? And click on OK. See here, so wherever you find which is greater than average, those values will be highlighted with this green text, right? I hope you understand. So in the same way we are having below average. In the same way we are having below average. So for that you have to go to this conditional formatting and go to the bottom rules and select the below average here, right? And for this I will leave it as the light red fill with the dark red text, right? And I will click on OK. See, wherever you find which is less than the average, those values will be in the red text, right? I hope you understand. So in this way we can use the above average and the below average options in the conditional formatting, right? I hope you understand. And in this class, if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you friends. Jai Hind.